What's up, guys? This is my 1994 Frost White Civic DX hatchback, and it is a 5-speed, and it does hold a clean title. One owner car, pardon me. Body's a little beat up, but it is original and not molested or modified. So, show you. Palmy blue. Even has the cargo tray in the back. It's from Santa Cruz. So, California car since day one. It's a good thing. Seats aren't too shabby. I mean, they're far from perfect. They're not too shabby. Original headlights. Let's pop the hood, fire it up. $234,000. No air conditioning from factory. This interior's mostly complete. These are hard to find, so you gotta take what you can get. Motor's fairly clean. Stock. Everything is stock. No air conditioning, no power steering, nothing. This is a base model, but it is white, and white is the best color you can get on an EG hatch, in my opinion. So if you're interested, price is going to be $39.50. Firm, cash only. Spencer's Hondas on Instagram if you want the best way to get a hold of me. Headliner's good. Yeah. Thanks, guys.